Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new day. It is Tuesday morning and I have no idea what time it is. It's between 8 and 9, I think. We got up pretty early today. I went to bed early so I can get up early, and we had breakfast by 7 o'clock this morning. So we just had the normal bacon, eggs, hash brown, and I didn't record any of that because it's the same old thing. But I've got these cinnamon rolls that I took out of the freezer a couple days ago, and they were sitting in the fridge for about a day, so I need to get these baked. So I got some butter and cream cheese sitting out so I can make some cream cheese frosting for it. And yeah, it's garbage day, so once these are done, I gotta go get garbage out and then continue on the day. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video and spending this time with me. I appreciate the support, and let's see what this day brings. All right, everyone, so it's noontime now, and we're gonna have lunch, and I'm warming up some Hormel chili with hot dogs in it. And I'm using a frying pan because I normally warm up the hot dogs in the chili, and with the saucepans I have now, these hot dogs are too long. So I figure I'll throw them in the frying pan, cover them with the Hormel chili, and I even put slits down the hot dog, hoping some of the chili taste will get inside the hot dog. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this and just let it simmer. Okay, so you can see where I slit the hot dogs right there, and some of the juice getting inside the hot dogs, so that's what I was looking for. What I think I'm going to do is I shredded some cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese on the hot dog while it's in here so it melts over it really nice. Glenn's going to have one with just shredded cheese and one with his jalapeno cheese dip to see which way he likes it. So that's just a suggestion I gave to him because he likes the jalapeno cheese. So maybe he'll like it that way. So, all right. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let this simmer a little bit more, and then I'll throw some cheese on them. All right, everyone, so there is our chili cheese dogs with the cheese melted on the hot dog and then the chili put over it. And that's our lunch for this Tuesday afternoon. All right, everyone, so I've got supper warming up. With the leftover pinto beans, I went ahead and refried some beans for myself. So I usually have them in like a flour tortilla taco, but I'll show you what I'm going to do. And then I'm warming up the chado beans for Glenn. And then I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bake myself some tostada shells. And I got some shredded cheese that I did earlier. And I thought about frying a couple eggs and putting beans on top of the shells. And then the eggs, fried eggs, on top of the beans with some melted cheese on the eggs. Kind of like a Huevos Rancheros, but minus the Ranchero sauce. So that kind of sounds good to me. I think I might do that. All right, so that's what I'm going to have tonight. Okay, kind of got a little funny story about the refried beans. I thought to see if the hand mixer would basically mush my beans for me. So I put them in a bowl when they were still whole, and I went through it with the hand mixer to see if it would work, and beans started shooting out everywhere. So yeah, it didn't work. So yeah, had to go back the old-fashioned way by hand mashing them. Okay, so here's Glenn's supper, the chado beans I made last night. So more of the flavor should have gone in overnight. When he had it last night, he did say it was a little spicy. So all right, so I'm gonna just get my supper and you can see what mine looks like. All right, everyone, so I'm going with the Huevos Rancheros minus the Ranchero sauce. So I got some cheese on my egg, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a cover over it so it melts the cheese nice and gooey. And then I've already got beans, and I'll show you. All right, so I already got beans, and I did put cheese on top of that. So when I put the egg on top of this, it'll have another layer of cheese there. All right, so there's my supper, Huevos Rancheros minus the Ranchero. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video out here. And I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch it. I appreciate the support. And with that, remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. And enjoy the magical Christmas season. Until next time.